Welcome back. Today I'm revealing a step-by-step blueprint, and today I'm revealing a step-by-step blueprint to make $30,000 a month with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. We'll break down how to build a real business on Amazon, tapping into millions of customers. Whether you're new or scaling up, you'll get actionable strategies to achieve serious income. We'll cover finding profitable niches, creating books readers love, and optimizing your listings for maximum sales. No fluff. Just the proven blueprint people pay thousands for. Ready to build a highly profitable KDP business? Let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Amazon KDP, and why are so many people talking about it? What is Amazon KDP? In simple terms, it's your gateway to self-publishing. A direct route to getting your work out into the world without needing to navigate the often complex world of traditional publishing houses. It allows you to publish ebooks and paperbacks on the world's biggest bookstore, reaching millions upon millions of potential readers. Anyone can publish, and it's free. There are no barriers to entry. That's right, no upfront costs. You only start paying when your book sells. You control the content, cover, and price. You have complete creative control over your work. Amazon lists your book to millions of buyers, giving you incredible visibility. The royalty structure is a game changer. It's designed to reward authors. You can earn up to 70% on ebooks and 60% on paperbacks, minus low printing costs. This is significantly higher than traditional publishing. Amazon handles printing, shipping, payments, and customer service. They take care of all the logistical headaches. You focus on creating great books. Your energy is best spent on writing and marketing. Print on demand means no inventory risk. You don't have to invest in a huge print run. Books are printed only when ordered, eliminating waste and storage concerns. You don't need a big budget or a publishing deal. This levels the playing field for everyone. Just a good idea and some effort. Passion and dedication are key ingredients. KDP is scalable and can generate passive income. Once your book is published, it can continue to earn money for months and even years to come. Your books sell 24/7, even while you sleep. It's like having a silent salesperson working around the clock. Each book is a digital asset, a piece of intellectual property that can generate revenue. Imagine having 10, 20, or 100 of them working for you. The potential for growth is exponential. KDP isn't just for novelists, it's a platform for all kinds of books. Non-fiction, journals, planners, activity books, and educational workbooks are huge earners. These categories are often less competitive and can be very profitable. Many require less writing, so you can build a portfolio faster. This allows you to diversify your income streams. Amazon gives you real-time sales data. You can see exactly how your books are performing, track what works, refine your strategy, and scale up. Knowledge is power in the world of self-publishing. You're not guessing, you're making informed decisions, you're using data to build income, creating a sustainable and growing business. KDP's global reach is massive. Your books can be sold all over the world. Your book can sell in the US, UK, Germany, Japan, and more. All from one dashboard. Managing your global book empire has never been easier. To sum up, KDP is a free, risk-minimized, scalable platform with high royalties and global reach. It's a powerful combination for aspiring authors. Amazon has democratized publishing. It's opened doors for countless writers. No more gatekeepers standing between you and your readers. If you have valuable content or a clever idea, KDP gives you the tools and audience to turn it into income. It's a direct path to monetizing your creativity. It's not magic, but the opportunity is real. It requires work, but the rewards can be significant. The system is there for you to leverage. It's a powerful platform waiting to be used. Ready to learn how? Let's dive deeper into the world of KDP. Let's move on to finding your goldmine niche. This is where the real potential lies. Now let's talk about the very foundation of KDP success, the cornerstone upon which your publishing empire will be built. It all begins with niche research. Even the best book crafted with passion and expertise won't sell if no one's actively looking for it. It's like shouting into the void. Or even worse, if the competition is so overwhelming that your book gets lost in a sea of similar titles. The ultimate goal, the sweet spot we're aiming for, is a niche with high demand, meaning lots of potential readers and manageable competition, giving you a real chance to stand out. A niche, in this context, is a specific book category or topic that caters to a defined audience with particular interests and needs. Instead of a broad category like cookbooks, think much more specific like vegan air fryer recipes for busy moms. A clearly defined target audience with a specific need. Start your niche exploration by thoroughly exploring Amazon's bestsellers list and the various subcategories they offer. This is your initial reconnaissance mission. As a general guideline, look for books within your potential niche that have a bestsellers rank, BSR, under 100,000. This indicates decent sales, and a BSR under 10,000 is excellent, suggesting a very popular and actively selling book. However, don't just blindly chase the top sellers. They might be difficult to compete with directly. Instead, dig deep into the subcategories, keep drilling down for those hidden opportunities where demand exists, but competition is lighter. To refine your search and get more data-driven, use keyword research tools like Publisher Rocket or BookBolt. Both are excellent options for KDP research. And don't forget the free option, Google Trends. Use these tools to find out exactly what people are actively searching for online, giving you valuable insights into potential niches. Specifically, look for keywords that demonstrate good search volume, indicating a healthy level of interest. Then, analyze the book's ranking for those keywords. Aim for books with under 200 reviews and a BSR in the range of 20,000 to 50,000. Some consistently hot niches to consider include children's activity books, which are always in demand, self-help, as people constantly seek ways to improve their lives, health and wellness, a perennial favorite as people prioritize their physical and mental well-being, and educational workbooks which support learning at all ages. But always ask yourself these crucial questions: what specific problem does my book solve for the reader? And perhaps even more importantly, how can I make my book significantly better than what's already out there on the market? Providing real value is absolutely key to long-term success. Don't just blindly follow the money. Focus on genuinely serving your audience and meeting their needs. Keep a close watch on emerging trends, but always balance them with evergreen topics that maintain consistent sales year after year, providing a stable foundation for your KDP business. Thoroughly analyze your competitors' quality, not just the sheer quantity of books they've published. Poorly made books in a niche represent a significant opportunity for you to step in and provide something better. Ultimately, your goal is to find a niche where you can confidently create a book that is demonstrably and clearly better than the competition. Whether that's through superior content, more appealing design, or more effective targeting of the right audience. Let's quickly recap the key takeaways. Effectively use BSR, dedicated keyword research tools, and thorough competitor analysis. This will allow you to pinpoint those high-demand, low-competition niches that offer the greatest potential for success. Always focus relentlessly on providing exceptional value and uncompromising quality in your books. This foundational groundwork is what ultimately separates the top earners in KDP from everyone else who's just dabbling. Now that you've identified your profitable niche, are you ready to dive in and create your book? Let's move on and get into the exciting world of content creation. You've identified your niche. Now it's time to dive into the core of your book and actually create its content. This is where your vision takes shape. Quality is absolutely everything. It's the foundation upon which your success will be built. Great content leads to positive reviews, enthusiastic customer testimonials, and most importantly, repeat buyers who keep coming back for more. So, what are the main ways to actually create this content? There are 3 primary paths you can take. Write it yourself, pouring your own knowledge and experience onto the page, hire freelancers, delegating the writing process to skilled professionals, or leverage the power of AI tools. Writing yourself gives you maximum control over the content and is the most cost-effective option, but it demands a significant time investment. Hiring freelancers, especially through platforms like Upwork, via Upwork, Fiverr, etc., lets you scale your content creation efforts and tap into specialized expertise. Just be crystal clear with your instructions, provide a detailed project brief, and always start with a paid sample to assess their skills. AI tools like ChatGPT can be incredibly helpful for brainstorming ideas and generating initial drafts, but you must always edit and refine the output to ensure accuracy and originality. Amazon is increasingly cracking down on low-quality AI-only books that lack substantial human input. No matter which method you choose, your book absolutely must be well-structured, factually accurate, and genuinely engaging for your target audience. For nonfiction books, deliver actionable advice, practical tips, and real-world examples in clear, concise language. For low-content books, focus on providing thoughtful prompts, visually appealing layouts, and a user-friendly design. Edit and proofread meticulously, because typos and bad formatting instantly kill your credibility and negatively impact sales. Invest in professional editing if your budget allows. It's an investment in your book's success. Positive reviews are what drive sales and increase your book's visibility on Amazon, while negative ones can quickly bury your book in the rankings. Stand out from the competition by offering unique value to your readers. Provide more in-depth content, include better exercises or templates, or offer exclusive bonus content. Consider building a series of books or establishing a recognizable brand within your niche to cultivate repeat customers and maximize their lifetime value. To recap, whether you choose to write it yourself, outsource to freelancers, or utilize AI tools, always prioritize quality, structure, and thorough editing. Remember, quality content is the very heart of your KDP business and the ultimate key to achieving significant and sustainable income. Let's talk design, because people absolutely judge books by their covers on Amazon. Your cover is your first impression. It must be eye-catching, professional, and clear even as a tiny thumbnail. DIY with Canva or Photoshop if you have skills, but hiring a pro designer, Fiverr, 99 Designs, Reedsy, is often worth it. Study bestsellers in your niche for design cues. Your cover should fit in but stand out. Make sure your title and subtitle are readable at small sizes. For nonfiction, the cover should promise a clear benefit. Interior formatting matters too. Clean, consistent, and easy to read. For ebooks, use Kindle Create or Vellum. For paperbacks, use Word, Canva, or InDesign. Poor formatting leads to bad reviews and lost sales. Hire a formatter if you want a truly professional result. For paperbacks, design a back cover and spine. Use the space for a compelling description or author bio. Consistency in fonts, headings, and spacing is key. High-res images only, no pixelation. Think of your book as a complete package cover, blurb, and interior all need to shine. Invest in design and formatting. It pays off in credibility, reviews, and sales. Now, let's publish and optimize your book so Amazon's algorithm works for you. Set up your free KDP account and enter accurate info for payments. Publish both ebook and paperback editions for maximum reach. Metadata is crucial. Title, subtitle, author, description, keywords, and categories. Use keyword-rich, compelling titles and subtitles. Don't stuff, but make them searchable. Your book description is your sales pitch. Use headlines, bullet points, and a call to action. Enter up to 7 back-end keywords. Use your research, not guesses. Choose specific, relevant categories. Niche subcategories help you stand out and earn bestseller tags. Upload your formatted manuscript and cover, then preview for errors. Set your price, $2.99. $9.99 for ebooks gets you 70% royalties. Paperbacks depend on printing costs. Consider enrolling in KDP Select for Kindle Unlimited exposure and promo tools. After publishing, monitor sales and reviews. Tweak keywords, descriptions, or covers as needed. Publishing is iterative. Optimize over time for best results. With smart optimization, Amazon becomes your 24/7 salesperson. That's your blueprint for building a $30,000 month KDP business. We covered KDP basics, niche research, content creation, design, and publishing optimization. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's about building a real sustainable business. Focus on value, quality, and smart optimization. Start today. Research a niche, outline a book, or publish your first title. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more passive income strategies. Now go build your KDP empire.